This is my month 6 of trading stocks and options, and in this video I'm going to show you an update, what's going on, how much I'm earning, losing, or whatever is happening. I'm going to be very transparent as this is not my primary source of income. I build businesses, some of which are in trading, so I'm translating what I know from business in trading to actual trading. So this is my portfolio. You can see that I have some good and bad picks at the moment, and right now I'm at about 30% year over year, or actually 30% profit this year. So I'm looking at Archer at the moment. I don't have a covered call option, so I'm just going to sell a covered call here. And the problem here is I don't know what is my return on these options. I don't know what's the premium, what's the cost, and so on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to QuantWheel. We built it specifically for that, and I'm going to look for Archer. And now I'm going to see all the possible options for Archer. You can see that covered calls are here, and don't mind the distress sign. You can see that, for example, here, if I sell the call for 14 and the stock price is 10, that's 34. That means that I will be forced to sell it only if the option jumps 34% and expires in 26 days. I'm happy with that, but I would rather go with something that is going to happen sooner. So I'm going to go with 19-day expiry. I'm going to filter this a little bit closer, and I'm going to see what's offered. So this one looks pretty good. I'm going to look for 13 or 14 strike price, and probably I'm going to go with this one after all, or maybe even this one. This one sounds good. So this means I'm going to have to sell it if the stocks jumps 34% in 12 days. If not, I'm going to earn 1.1%. But this one sounds or looks even better to me, even juicier. But I would rather keep Archer. I think it's a good stock. So I'm going to sell a call with expiry on November 14th. I'm going to go here, and it's 14, and the premium is 12 here. So it's even better premium right now. If I look at it on my brokerage account, it's 10 calls. I'm gonna go with market price. The spread is not that big, and let's do it. So that's already filled, and I'm going to go to the next one. So I have Archer, should have it here. Yeah, it's here. That's $100 basically guaranteed. AMD, my average price is 256. So what I'm going to do is going to options chain again. I'm going to repeat the same thing. I'm going to look for covered calls on AMD. I'm going to remove Archer here, and I'm going to look for about, so right now it's 255, 256 is break even. I'm going to look for 11 days, probably 12 days, and I'm going to go with something closer. Premiums are amazing right now, to be honest. I'm going to with about 265, something like that. This one looks amazing to me. 3.7 return. This one is good as well. Let's see. I'm gonna go with 265 in 12 days. Looks pretty good. 4% return in 12 days. So 265. This is the one. 1035 premium. Again, I'm gonna go with the market price, and that's it. Should earn about 1000 here. So MD is done. Let's go with the next one. BBAI. Basically it's done. It's let's see what is my 684 is break even. I got 11.5 covered call. I'm gonna close this one at the market price again. That's a good profit, and I'm going to cover call again. Let's see if this is executed. It is. I'm going to go to the options chain. BBAI has a lot of potential, so I'm just gonna go with the short-term cover call. And let's see what's offered. 8.5. Yeah, 8.5 looks good in 12 days. But this one is much better. Yeah, 8.5 November 14. Let's do it. As you can see, I'm not wasting too much time. I'm earning money while I'm waiting on these stocks. I believe in all of them, so I don't need to check fundamentals that often. Nothing changes because I'm trading those all the time. And I already am earning money on most of them if you look at all the premiums. So I'm not worried to check what's happening all the time. Even if I lose some money on the stock, long term I will earn. So CoreWave, already earned tons of money on CoreWave. This one is almost done. 46, 150. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna let it go. Let's see what's offered on CoreWave. Again, I'm going to go to QuantWheel, see what are the premiums on CoreWave. Actually pretty good ones. Actually very, very good ones. I'm gonna sell this call. That's a good profit as well. And I'm going to go to the options chain and cover another call. Now, this is the last one. This is what I was selling last time, 150, but I'm going to go with 12-day expiry. This one looks good. 12 days, November 14, 150. Very unlikely that I will have to sell it, and I earned 370 for this one. The bid and ask are pretty wide, but I'm not gonna go spend too much time. That's done. Let's see what's next. I got 2 puts. I'm gonna let them go. Even if I get assigned, I'm happy with that. Figma, I'm leaving Figma. Earning good premiums here, about 2, 3, 4,000 on each. This one I'm losing money on. If Figma goes up, I'm gonna be very happy. For now it's in the downfall. I'm leaving it. There are some big gambles here. I'm letting this go. This one is in pretty good profit. I'm going to sell this one, and I'm going to McNeil. So I got 2,000 shares. Let's see what's going on with this one. One of my companies is in iGaming, so I invested in a couple of companies in iGaming. Yields are okay here, but I'm going to go with a little bit longer expiry because the options here are not every single week. They're a little bit longer. The situation doesn't look that good, but this company is, I think this should explode. Like it's super profitable, and I think it's oversold. As you can see on RSI, it should go up. I don't understand why it fell so low. The PE is very good as well. I think it's gonna go pretty well. I'm not gonna touch this one. This is one of the biggest iGaming companies, by the way. Super profitable. And then we have KView. This one is going pretty good, and I'm going to close this position. So KView, this is fast moving consumer goods, pretty good company, very profitable, nice dividend. I used to trade those in the past, and I would just buy a good dividend stock and let it go, let it grow. It usually doubled. As you can see, this is happening with this one as well. It's going pretty well. Now it's 16. I'm going to check what's offered for this one. What are the option prices on this one? I believe it's going to go pretty well. The options premiums are pretty good as well. I don't believe it will go higher than 18, and yeah, the premiums are pretty good, but the expiry is too far. I think this one is a pretty good one. November 14, 013 premium. Let's see. Yeah, low returns, but it's 12 days. Let's see what's up there. This one is pretty good. This one is really good. Let's do this one. November 21, 23 cents. Yeah, I'll go with this one. How many I have? I have 1,000 shares. So I'm gonna go with this one. Another 200 premium plus appreciation if I get assigned. That's QuantWheel. Meta. I'm losing some money on Meta, but let's see if the premiums are higher than 247. All right, now I can see at around 710. I'm gonna go at around break even. My break even is 710. Let's see, 712, 710. Right, these are some huge premiums for Meta at least. This one is pretty good. 12 days. 19 days and it's double. I'm gonna go with this one. All right, where is Meta? I'm gonna close it and I'm going to cover the call at 710 at 450, November 21. I don't care if I get assigned, I'll earn money on the premium and I can just wheel it again. 950 profit. Let's do it. All right, that's Meta. What's next? NVO, Novo Nordisk. Let's see what's my break even. 57. Now it's 48. What's the premium here? Again, going to QuantWheel, checking the premium. Let's say if it's break even, 57. I got a pretty good premium, about 400 or 500. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna close this one. And I'm going to go to the options chain. 57. This one I don't mind waiting a little bit longer. 19 days is fine. November 21, 57. And the premium is pretty good. 320, I like that premium. And we got this one as well. That's Novo Nordisk. Then we have POE, similar play like CoreWave, just hasn't played out yet. I'm gonna leave it I got a good put here. And let's see, Peloton. Peloton. I got a stock. They partnered out with OpenAI. It should rip. My break even is 789. Let's see what's there for Peloton. 950 in 19 days. That's a pretty good one. I'm gonna do this one in 19 days, November 21, 950. While I'm waiting, why wouldn't I earn money? Although I think it's gonna go higher than that, but if I get assigned, I'm still gonna earn an appreciation. November 21 and 950. And it's a good premium again. $100. Nice. Let's sell it. All right. PayPal. Let's see what's up with PayPal. 69 is my break even. And I got a call here. Let's see what's up with PayPal. What's being offered. Around 80. Not so good. But let's earn money while I wait. I'm just gonna close this one. And let's see, around 80. See, this one is good, but it's too far away. PayPal is a good stock. I'd rather hold it. But this one is pretty good. This one is pretty good. 77. Nope, this one. 77, November 21. November 21, 77. And the premium should be 32 cents. $200 shares. I'm gonna go with limit price 0.40. All right, that's PayPal. And what's left there? Race. I'm gonna leave it. Some gambling stock again. SMCI. Let's see what's up with SMCI. 48 is this one should be good. 48 is the current stock price. Sorry, this is the break even. Let's close this one. All right, I'm happy with 60 at around 60 in about 12 days. Pretty good premium. Let's see, 60, 12 days. Very, very nice. November 14. $61.04. That's it. How many do I have? 200. All right, 2 options. 200 bucks. Let's do it. All right, and we're done. The only thing that hasn't played out is PayPal yet, but at the moment I'm doing pretty well considering I messed up with Meta. Meta dropped 20%. That's where this drop happened, but I'm earning money while I'm waiting. That's good. And just today probably I earned a little bit, like 1,000 in premium. All right, so I'm going to leave it. This is how I earn premiums and basically cover a lot of my expenses every single month. This right here and this drop is unrealized, and everything that I'm losing are everywhere I'm losing. Those are all quality stocks like Meta, Figma. At some point it's gonna go up. In the meantime, I'm just gonna earn premiums. No Nordisk, undervalued, and so on. So Meta and Figma are my biggest losers right now. But on Meta, every single month I earn about 2,000. On Figma, I earn about 2 to 4,000, and I'm just gonna continue doing this until the stocks go up. In the meantime, I'm just gonna earn a couple of dollars per option until my break even just drops to the current price. And if it doesn't, I will just get assigned and sell the shares. I'm just gonna be in profit in no time. If you look at all the premiums that I've collected so far, it's more than 30,000, and I'm just gonna continue doing so. And in the meantime, if you would like to try QuantWheel, we developed it because we earn money through selling options mostly, and you can create your watch list, update the stocks that you're trading here, see all the stocks here that you're trading, see what is the premium that you're going to get, what does it equal in yield in this expiry time, what does it translate to weekly and yearly. Just easier to note it, to see and track that. And you can avoid assignment here if you would not like to get assigned. Say I had Apple and I didn't want to get assigned, I would just pick the current stock price where I own the app or own the stock, and it show me all the options where I'm going to be able to extend the expiry and what's the premium I would get in return. There's also a journal that we're working on, and the copy trading feature where you can see other traders and what they're trading, what's their PNL, what's their realized PNL, and much more. So if you're interested, check the free trial. And that's it for this week's update. Check it out. In the next 1-2 years, my goal is to be profitable and continue doing what I'm doing, show that it's possible, track the results on this YouTube channel. And if you like what you see, subscribe. I'm talking about business and trading stocks and options. Thank you very much.